Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed at Walgreens today. So the Walgreens ad started Sunday, November 15th and runs through Saturday, November 22nd. Y'all, there are so many awesome deals over at Walgreens this week. I ended up getting all of these items for free and made just a little bit of money buying them. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did that here in just a minute. Before I get into the details, I would like to ask that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would totally make this day even better. So last week, I want to say it was Thursday, over on my Instagram page and over on my Facebook page, I said, hey guys, check your Walgreens app for the new boosters that just hit. And those boosters are good for this week. Now, hopefully you did that because they disappeared. And I don't know what's up with that, but I did clip a few of them. I ended up getting two $5 off a $10 purchase coupon and one $8 off a $28 purchase coupon. And so I'm going to show you the 3 different transactions I did using each of those booster coupons. So the first deal that I did, I grabbed deodorant, I grabbed the M&Ms, and I grabbed the Mentos. So that is transaction number 1, and I was using the $5 off a $10 purchase booster with that. Now that's just a digital coupon that was clipped to my Walgreens card, and it worked like a charm at checkout. So that was really fantastic. Okay, so I grabbed one Dove Men deodorant, and I grabbed one Axe deodorant. These are both 2 for $10. The reason I didn't grab 2 of this one or 2 of this one is because there is a $3 digital coupon for each of these. So 2 for $10 minus the $3 for the Dove Men, minus the $3 for the Axe. So I paid $4 and I got a $2 register reward back, making these $2 total or just $1 a piece. Now, of course, when I combine it with my $5 off a $10 purchase, it becomes free. So the next thing were these tiny little Mentos. So when I saw it in the ad, I wasn't expecting it to be this little, but these guys are free this week after the Walgreens register reward. So these are 99 cents and you'll get 99 cents back, making those free. Now, when I added these guys up, I was just short of where I needed to be to use my coupons and not go into the negative. So I grabbed these fudge brownie M&Ms. I grabbed these, 1, because they were 99 cents, 2, because my husband said he liked them. There is also a shopkick offer available on these. I had used mine, so I couldn't use it again, but double check your shopkick app, because if you have it, it's actually a little bit of a moneymaker in and of itself. These guys are priced at 99 cents. Shopkick was giving back 300 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.20, which would make this a 21-cent moneymaker if you still have that offer. So, grabbed these, I grabbed this, and I grabbed the Mentos. My $5 off a $10 purchase came off first, then my $3 off coupon for this, my $3 off coupon for this. I paid a total of 98 cents after coupons, and I got a 99-cent register reward for the Mentos, and I got a $2 register reward for the deodorant, making it a $2 moneymaker. So that was a great first transaction. Now, transaction 2, I'm using another $5 off a $10 purchase. So for this transaction, I bought the Axe hair care. So I found this morning. This is the Phoenix Clean and Refreshed Hair 2-in-1 for men. It was on clearance for $2.79. I did not have any coupons for this item, but Ibotta was giving $2 back, making it just 79 cents. Now, the second thing I bought in my second transaction was the Maybelline Baby Lips. So these are priced at $4.99. In my Walgreens app, I had a coupon for $3 off any Maybelline cosmetic item. So I paid $1.99 and Fetch Rewards gave me 2,000 points back, which is equivalent to $2, making this little guy free. If you don't have the Fetch Rewards app yet, you can grab it using my referral link if you want to. That link is found in the video description below. All right, and the last items I purchased as part of that second transaction using the $5 off 10 booster was the Scott paper towels. So these guys are priced at $5 each. Now, there are a couple different coupons that you can use with these. There is the $2 off 2 Scott manufacturer coupon digital that I had clipped to my card. There's also a store coupon. Walgreens coupons and manufacturer coupons can be used together. So there's a little book at checkout that the cashier will scan for $1.25 off both of these. So 2 for $10, right? They're $5 each, minus the $2 off 2, minus the $2.50 store coupon. So I paid $5.50 total, or just $2.75 each for 6 rolls of paper towels. So when I add this plus this plus this, I paid a total of $5.28 after coupons. I got back the $2 for the Axe. I got back the $2 for Maybelline on Fetch Rewards, making all of those items just $1.28. Yeah, $1.28 for the body wash, the baby lips, and 12 paper towel rolls. So fantastic deal. Now, the last transaction, my $8 off a $28 purchase. This one, I played with the math for a while, trying to get a transaction that would come out to be completely free. And I finally figured it out to where I could get all of these items for free. So first thing I bought, these Compeed Advanced Blister Care. These are priced at $9.99. Now, there is a $5 off coupon in the November 1st Retail Me Not, so that will make them $4.99, but Ibotta is giving back $5 when you buy this product, making this completely free. The second item that I grabbed were 2 of these soft soap body washes. So these are on sale $4.99 each this week, but when you buy 2, you're gonna get $5 in Walgreens cash back. So $4.99 times 2 is $9.98. I had 0 coupons for these items, but I did get $5 back, making them $4.98 for both. Again, when I pair that with the $8 off 28, it ends up being free. So the Persil, this was part of that last transaction as well. The Persil was priced at $5.99. There was a $2 off digital coupon on my card, and checkout 51 is giving $2 back when you buy Persil, making it a total of $1.99. And the last item was the all detergent. So this is priced at $2.99 this week, and I had a digital coupon that said just for you, so check and see if you have this one, for $2 off any blue bottle all detergent. So after that coupon, it was just 99 cents. Okay, so at checkout, scans all the items, it comes out to just above the $28. After coupons, so after my $2 off, my $2 off, and my $5 off coupon, and the 8 off the 28, my total was $11.95. I got $5 back in Walgreens cash for buying the soft soap. I got back $5 on Ibotta for buying the Compeed. I got back $2 on checkout 51 for buying the Persil, making this all free and a 5-cent moneymaker. So I think this was a super good week at Walgreens. I feel like it's been a while since I've had this good of a week at Walgreens. So I'm super happy. Let me know what deals you guys are doing at Walgreens. Did I miss something that I need to run back out and do? Let me know down in the comments. Before I go, a couple of things. Like I said, I posted about those boosters both on my Facebook page and on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, my Facebook page is facebook.com/savingwithchristina, and my Instagram is savewithchristina. So I would love it if you follow me there as well. I do more daily posts than you will see videos. Also, a couple of people did shout outs to me recently and it totally warmed my heart. Coupon Club, thank you so much. You have such an awesome channel. People are already following you like crazy, but if you guys have not stopped by to check her out, definitely do so. As well as Saving Money with Kelly. She has some great videos as well. So if you haven't checked out her channel, I would highly recommend you check out both of those ladies. All right, guys, I hope you are having a fantastic start to your week, and you will see me soon with my Walmart haul video. Thanks, guys.